Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Animal Show. And we are back to the new video. Baby chicks are young domesticated chickens known for their fluffy yellow feathers and adorable peeping sounds. They require warmth, protection, and proper nutrition to thrive during their early stages of life. Cats are small carnivorous mammals known for their agility and independent nature. They make popular pets due to their affectionate behavior and low-maintenance care. Tigers are large carnivorous cats characterized by their distinctive orange coat with dark stripes. They are apex predators and endangered species, known for their strength and solitary nature in the wild. The golden eagle is a majestic bird of prey with dark brown feathers and a golden crown. It's one of the most powerful raptors, known for its keen eyesight and formidable hunting abilities. Horses are large, domesticated mammals known for their strength, speed, and versatility. They have played a crucial role in human history for transportation, agriculture, and sport. Pigeons, also known as rock doves, are small to medium-sized birds with a distinctive cooing sound. They are often found in urban areas and are known for their remarkable homing abilities and use in messenger roles throughout history. Baboons are medium to large primates known for their distinctive long muzzles and often colorful rear ends. They live in social groups and are found in various habitats across Africa and parts of Arabia. Bees are flying insects known for their vital role in pollinating plants and producing honey. They live in highly organized colonies and are crucial for ecosystem biodiversity and agriculture. Hyenas are carnivorous mammals known for their distinctive laughs, powerful jaws, and scavenging habits. They live in social groups and are skilled hunters as well as opportunistic scavengers. Roosters are male chickens known for their crowing, vibrant plumage, and spurs on their legs. They play a role in the hierarchy of chicken flocks and serve as alarm clocks on many farms. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe to stay updated. Thank you.